Horrified. Meghan goes straight underground after failing to use court win to steal royal crown. Exclusive. Kinsey Schofield, founder, believes Meghan and Harry's relationship with the royal family could be improved by the court victory, adding a win for Meghan is a win for the monarchy. There could be a chance for the Sussexes to rebuild their relationship with the royal family following on from Meghan's court battle success, according to a royal expert. The Duchess of Sussex sued Associated Newspapers Limited after they published articles that showcased parts of her handwritten letter sent to her father Thomas Markle in August 2018. Despite a tiresome 2-year-long court battle, the mum of two won her appeal and could potentially see a positive shift in her relationship with her in-laws, said Kinsey Schofield. Kinsey told, "I am certain that Prince William and Prince Charles champion Harry and Meghan when it comes to fighting for their privacy, or what Meghan refers to as right versus wrong. People forget that Kate Middleton was photographed topless and William and Catherine went after that, the suits for the phone hacking. Now we hear that Prince Charles might want to go head-to-head with the author or brothers and wives, Christopher Anderson." Meghan decided to take the publisher to court following the featuring her personal and private letter which they published a year after she wrote it. It has been reported the judge ruled that extracts from the letter were manifestly excessive and unlawful. Speaking about the Sussexes, Kinsey added, "Harry and Meghan are not exactly pioneers when it comes to taking the media to court. In fact, some of the few people on the planet that can relate to this violation is Prince Harry's family, who has dealt with it for decades. So much worse than the relatives before them. Can you imagine someone hacking Edward and Wallis calls? Perhaps it might bring them closer since they understand how truly horrific it feels to have private moments exposed for public consumption. Or perhaps things will stay the same because Harry's family felt that same violation when their issues were exposed to the world via an Oprah Winfrey interview." The Court of Appeal ruled that the privacy case does not need to go to a full trial, rejecting Associated Newspapers' attempt. There are concerns the judgment places the right to privacy over freedom of expression and public interest. In the latest stage of the legal battle between the Duchess and the publishers, the Court of Appeal ruled that the matter did not warrant a full trial. The defense had been hoping for a trial, but judges said it was hard to see what evidence a trial would be presented that would alter the situation. The case concerns the publication of parts of the contents of a letter that Meghan had sent to her father, Thomas Markle, in August 2018, ahead of her marriage to Prince Harry. Extracts of the letter were then reproduced in 5 articles in February 2019. The Court of Appeal agreed with the initial ruling that it was the volume of the letter that had been reproduced was why the Mail on Sunday had broken the law. Matthew Dando, a media lawyer and partner at Wiggin LLP, told Richard Palmer, Express Royal editor, "This is a troubling judgment which has very concerning consequences for freedom of expression." He added, "By preventing key evidence being heard regarding the preparation of the Duchess letter and its intended audience, the Court of Appeal has presumptively elevated the Duchess' privacy rights over matters of public interest and freedom of expression. This decision heightens concerns that privacy laws permit public figures selectively to determine what can be reported about them and manipulate the media narrative. It also sets a dangerous precedent that anyone arguing against that status quo may not even be entitled properly to test the claimant's evidence in court." Prince Harry announced the Duchess of Sussex had chosen to sue Associated Newspaper in a statement issued in early October 2019.